So I want to share with you today this delightful little scrap quilt. I've made it this small size because I actually used 10 strips of fabric, 2.5 inches wide. It was a small jelly roll. But obviously you can go into your fabric stash and just cut lots of strips. We are going to use 2.5 inch wide strips. And I call it Courthouse Steps because it's constructed in a very similar way to the log cabin courthouse steps. So you have a center square, a square either side, and then 2 rectangles. She is a button fanatic. She's got lots of lovely buttons, and these were some that I bought when I was up there. They would be absolutely stunning as your kind of quilting. If you're doing this for a small child, then I would suggest you don't use buttons. You would need to tie it. And again, we've got that on the website for you to see.